Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how to change the language of YouTube app on your Android. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video, be sure to write your comments. And also friends, subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. And first of all friends, you're going to need to on your Android. Swipe from the right side from the top to the bottom. Then in the control center at the top, find the gear to go to your phone settings. After that, swipe through and find an option called App or App Manager or App Management, looking at what it's called on your particular device. So, open that option. And next, either you'll have a list of all the apps right away, or you'll need to open another list of apps. Now you can tap in the search box and type in the word YouTube. Next, open up that app. And now you will also have several options on how to find the language change. Either you have the YouTube language already here in the options, and you can just click on that and then you can change it, or you have to find that option. Don't worry, just browse through the various folders in order to find the YouTube language option. In my particular case, this option is under mobile data and Wi-Fi. And then you have to select the app settings. And here you can find the language of the app. This will take you to the language that is currently up to date on the YouTube app. In order to change the language, you just have to scroll through and find the language you want. And then just click on it and confirm the language switch. After that, immediately the language on YouTube will be changed. Friends, this is the way you can easily change the language of YouTube app on your Android. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Friends, please don't forget to put likes, write your comments for sure, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.